Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into customizing your WordPress theme to make your website uniquely yours. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your site, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to Appearance and then Themes. Select the theme you want to customize. Click on the Customize button. This will open the WordPress Customizer, where you can see live changes to your site as you make them. Here you'll find several options, including site identity, colors, menus, and more. Let's go through these one by one. Under site identity, you can change your site title, tagline, and logo. Upload your logo and adjust the site title and tagline to match your brand. Next, let's talk about colors. Here you can customize the color scheme of your site, including background color, header color, and text color. Choose colors that align with your brand style guide. Moving on to menus. This section allows you to set up and manage your site's navigation. You can add new menus, create menu items, and arrange them as needed. The widgets section lets you add extra content to your site sidebar or footer areas. You can include things like recent posts, categories, or custom text. Lastly, under homepage settings, you can choose whether your homepage displays your latest posts or a static page. This is useful for creating a custom landing page. As you make these changes, you can preview them in real time. Don't forget to click Publish to make your changes live. And that's it. Customizing your WordPress theme is straightforward once you know where to look. With these tips, you can give your site a fresh, personalized look. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.